Yeah, he's been a big match player. Always what we have seen him since last 10, 15 years, that he really means business when it comes to a big series. And New Zealand, I would say, was very difficult wickets for anybody to play. Somebody has to hit from the word first ball, and if you are lucky, that ball goes out of the ground or you are caught. So that they were, I mean, very difficult wickets to bat. So one should not be, worried about that part that he didn't get runs. I think Australia, there would be good wickets. He loves to bat there. He doesn't have to prove. I mean, what he has done for the country, what he has done for himself. I mean, everybody knows what he has done till now. So he has nothing to prove. Yes, but he has got a responsibility to play for the country, to perform, because he knows his responsibility. He is the senior most player, and a lot is expected from him, and he is very well prepared for that. We all wish that he should get the big one, but I mean, more than century. I mean, he has also maintained that he should contribute in the victory of the team. So that is important, that he stays there, he plays well, and get some big runs. And to win the first test is very very important, because that sets the tone of the series. Definitely has to be. Like both of them are from Delhi, and Virat respects Gautam a lot, and Gautam also likes him. If you remember, he was the first one to give his man of the match to Virat when he was a youngster for the first time. So there is a lot of harmony, and that is how they have played. Both of them are very, they loves to compete hard. So it is a good combination, I would say. Definitely, we talk to each other before and after every match, I would say, and he looks very positive, very geared up to do well, and I'm sure he will. I said just play a natural game, and then I mean, nobody can take anything away from you, and you should enjoy the game. And that is what he is. He is very relaxed. He is very focused, and he has really worked hard. He's done a lot of preparations for this particular series.
and committed as well. So
Yeah, he is.
he is.
My only expectation is that he should do well, and he should win the series for the country. That is important. It is important for us to qualify for the World Test Championship finals, and if he contributes in that, and he will, I'm very sure, because he knows his responsibility and role in the team. No, no, he's such a good player now, and he has got such a good head on his shoulder that he doesn't need much advices. If something goes wrong, then only my role comes in.